Okay, I'm just going to be doing a quick weekly recap on all the trades I took this week. Took 7 trades, 4 wins, 1 break even, and 2 losses. Also managed to pass 3 evals this week, which is pretty good. Okay, so first trade of the week was this PDI model. Pretty textbook trade, but I took TP early as I did pass the eval. Okay, so second trade on the high time frame, we had a clear power of 3 and we were distributing upwards. I entered off a 5-minute change in state of delivery as well as this tap into this 1-minute fair value gap. Third trade, at market open, we came up and swept London and Asia's high, and then we came down and inversed all of these gaps on the way down, and then I entered after we tapped into this 1-minute inversion and then had a change in state of delivery. It stopped out unfortunately before price ran and hit my TP. So fourth trade, I entered this trade because we had a little accumulation and then we manipulated into a 5-minute gap and we saw SMT, and then I entered off a change in state of delivery. Fifth trade, I entered because we tapped into this discounted 1-minute gap and then had a change in state of delivery to the upside. Got stopped at break even here before we ran up and hit my TP. Sixth trade, pretty textbook 2 PM PO3, had ES tap into its 15-minute gap after we accumulated, and then I entered off a change in state of delivery to the upside, and then I added to my position after we tapped into a 5-minute gap and then inversed all these gaps and had a change in state of delivery to the upside. Okay, so final trade on Friday. Friday was just 2-3. Basically just took a tiny short down to the data wick and ended up passing my eval here. I'll be going over these trades in more detail on my YouTube, so go check that out.